Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can start writing on Medium. Okay, so and also I'm going to show you guys how you can make passive income with Medium. So anyone can start writing on Medium and start making money. Now this video is all you need to start writing on Medium. Okay, let's get started right now. So the first thing, of course, is to create an account on Medium. It's very simple. Just click here. It says get started, and you can use join Medium using your Google, or you can also sign up with Facebook if you have Facebook. Now I'm going to go with Google. Okay, so after that it says here Medium. Just to wait a few seconds. As you can see, we have created an account on Medium. Now we are going to start doing exactly what we need to do to start writing articles on Medium. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing I recommend you guys to do is to click on your profile here in the top right, and then click on profile. You just need to edit like for example the about, like tell the world about yourself. Just add here, click on get started, and tell them exactly what you are going to do on your like Medium account. Like for example, what type of articles you are going to type here. That's exactly what you need to do. So in my case, I'm just going to enter here helping beginners start online businesses, eBay dropshipping, Shopify tutorials, and YouTube automation, sharing what works in 2025. Now I'm just going to click here on save, and you can also insert, I'm sorry I didn't tell you this, you can also insert a photo here in the about page here. Okay, so you can click on save now, and when you click here on lists, you will be able to see here the reading lists. Here it says here no stories yet. Okay, so if you click here on edit profile, you can add your profile picture, okay, to your Medium, to your profile in here, to your profile on Medium. Now you just need to add here an image to your a photo to your Medium. Okay, so here where it says name, you just need to enter here the name, which is in this case it's Muhammad, and here you can add the short bio about you. Okay, for example, I like making videos about make money online. Okay, so after you finish, then you want to click on save. Okay, so always make sure you save your changes. Now here you can add the custom domain. Okay, so it says here profile design. You can also design your profile like this is how it's going to look like. This is a sample story. It won't show up in your publication. It's here it's here so you can see what your design choices look like. So this is how it's going to look like. If you click here on header, you can always change the colors, for example to red. Okay, in this case I'm going to leave it this one. I'm going to let the red. You can also change the name color to whatever you want. I always leave it to the standard, which is like a black color. It looks way better than the red. Okay, so when you add all of this, make sure you click on publish and then click on publish. Okay, so when you click on publish, then this is how it's going to look like. Okay, this is how it's going to your Medium will look like. Okay, so after guys you are done on your editing your profile, then you can start writing. Okay, so after I show you guys how you can start writing, I'm going to show you guys how you can start monetizing and start making passive income on your Medium. Okay, using your Medium articles that you have written. Okay, so just click here on write. Okay, so when you click here, you want to add here the title of your article. So in my case, I'm going to add something like this one: how I started eBay dropshipping with $0 and made my first sell. Okay, so when you add here that this is going to be the title of your article, so you just need to enter here exactly tell your story. Okay, so you can also click on this plus button and you can add an image to your story if you want to make it more emotional. I always go with something that is more emotional so that it will keep people reading the article as long as possible, because here is how like algorithm works on Medium. Now when you write an article and people they don't seem to be interested, like when they open your article, they only read the first 2 sentences or something like that, and then they leave the article, Medium thinks, okay, this one is not very good, we are not going to show it to people. So always write very, very good articles so that people will keep reading the article till the end. Okay, so in my case, I'm going to say something like, let me show you here. A few years ago, I had no money, no products, no experience, but I had internet and time and a reason to start. Now today I run a profitable eBay store and earn income every month. In this article, I'll show you how I started eBay dropshipping from scratch without investing my any money upfront. So something like this. You can also say something like, what is eBay dropshipping? The dropshipping is when you list items. You can just apply the exact same thing on your article. Okay, so when you type all the article here, you can click here on publish. So when you click here on publish, this article will be, it says you're publishing to your account, and here add or change topics up to 5 so readers know what your story about. So for example, just going to say here eBay dropshipping. This is like tags, if that makes sense. Then click on publish now. It says here publishing story, and we have successfully published our story. As you can see, it says here this story isn't currently eligible to earn money. To make a story eligible, join the Medium Partner Program, which is exactly what you need to do. Okay, so to join a Medium Partner Program, there are some requirements, but it's not really that hard. Let me show you how you can do this. So just search here on Google for Medium Partner Program and then click on the first one. It says here Medium Partner Program is for people who are interested in helping us fulfill our mission of deepening the collective wisdom of the world through personal expression, knowledge sharing, and storytelling. Now what you guys need to do here, as you can see, is you want to know the eligible criteria. As you can see, so to be eligible, you need to be a member. The best way to succeed the partner is to also participate as a reader of the stories of Medium. Okay, it says here you have published the story in the last 6 months. Okay, staying active, so you always need to publish. Don't ignore your Medium account for more than 6 months. You are located in eligible country, so you want to click on this full list so that you can see if the country you live in is here or not. Okay, countries supporting the program, so all these countries you see here are eligible to start earning money on Medium. Okay, so if your country is here, in my case it's here, I can see my country. So what I need to do is I want to click on apply now. Okay, so when you click guys on apply now, you just need to select here the country. In my case it's currently here, let me check here, currently it's United States. So after that you want to click on next. It says here you are not currently a member, Medium member. Just click on become a member, and here you want to click here. It says you can either pay monthly or yearly. So monthly is $5 a month. Okay, so the reason why they do this is because they want to get rid of like low quality users. So they don't want to they don't want like people to take advantage of their system. Okay, so you just need to select the first one, and you want to pay here the $5 every single month. Okay, it's not that much, but you are going to start making money after you have successful articles. Now here it says here you have published a story in the last 6 months, and your bank is located in a country that is eligible for payouts. So after you become a member, just click on confirm, and it's going to take you to another page, okay, where you can add like payment methods and stuff like that. It's very, very easy process. Just follow the requirements and you will be able to do just that. Okay, so if you have like guys any questions now, I don't want you to worry about the making money right now. So I would say you can you can just rate a you can just start learning about how the Medium algorithm works. Okay, how to get your articles in front of millions of people. That's exactly what you need to focus on. So hopefully this one helped you. If it does, drop a like, and see you guys in the tutorial. See you guys.